Hey there, Heritage Landing fans. Roberto Lee here at Heritage Landing in Punta Gorda. And today we're previewing this inventory home that's going to be ready for a November close. This is the Napoli Grande floor plan, part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find here. It's over 3,000 square foot, 3 bedrooms. You have the den, 3-car garage, and the Napoli Grande here gives you an upstairs bonus room as well. Let's take a look here. So as we come inside, directly to the left, that is your den space here in the Napoli Grande. It does also have a closet, so if you wanted, you could utilize it as an additional bedroom space. But you've got this nice great room area here off to the right of the entry. This is where your dedicated dining room would be right here. And then past the dining room, we'll encounter your laundry space here. So that door there leads you to the 3-car garage. You've got a utility sink, plenty of extra storage space, full-size washer and dryer. And then we have the guest bedrooms over here. One of the nice things about this particular home is no carpet here on the first floor. You've got all the wood-like tile throughout the first floor here. Sandwiched in between the guest bedrooms, you have the guest bath here with the full-size shower, the singular sink, the commode, and then we've got the other guest bedroom down here as well. Now coming back out into the main area, to the right here is the kitchen. That's where your wall oven microwave would be. You get a full stainless appliance package here. That's your pantry right here in the corner. White cabinets, granite countertops, and then this all overlooks your great room area here. And then off to the side, this is your eating kitchen area here with views of your pool and access to your lanai. And right off the eating kitchen area, this is where you have your half bath here. So this is really what your pool bath would be. You have entry to your pool right here. So this right here is your pool bath, your half bath here. And then we get to your bonus room. So up the stairwell here, this is where your bonus room is. It's a huge space up here. You've got additional cabinetry here and countertop that you'll have. Plus here's a place for your beverage fridge as well. And then you've got this huge space here. Many people use this as a media room, a fun room, or maybe just another huge bedroom here. You do have a full size bathroom up here with the singular sink, the commode, and then your shower. Now we're gonna head back downstairs and take a look at the rest of the home. So coming back downstairs, right past the kitchen, we're gonna run into your master bedroom here. So the master bedroom, really nice size. Again, no carpet, huge walk-in closet here. You've got your bay windows overlooking your views here, which we will get to. And then you also have access to your lanai right there through the door. And then we've got your master bath here with your split sinks, your corner tub, your walk-in shower here. And then you've got a linen closet, and that's your enclosed water closet right there. Last but not least is the viewpoint and lanai space on this home. Really, really beautiful view here on this home. So you've got a nice under truss lanai space here. And then this huge outdoor living area. Tons of room for loungers. You've got the beautiful lake view in the back. And this home here has the pool and spa package attached. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, it's ready for your offer. November close. Give us a call at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.